growth that I have seen in Charles over this apprenticeship experience has been amazing.
I think this is his thing.
Nice to be able to teach someone what they actually want to know, and I do that every day with Charles.
You know, certain people just have talent. I think this is his talent.
He's always in here with such a positive attitude every day and make sure he's putting out a good quality product.
He's made for it, and I think he's going to enjoy it for the rest of his life.
Usually when we have a new team member, we'll put them on smaller items to evaluate to see what their experience is. That's where Charles started. But within 5 months, we've seen that, hey, Charles is doing really well. So we jumped the whole process from what we originally planned and put him on our bigger mainframe, and he's been doing an excellent job of that.
What I work on at Vermeer is the 1800 wood chippers. With those machines, I'm welding the mainframe, so that's assembling the very structure of the wood chippers. What I like about welding is you get to see what you're making in the long run, and you can see it out in the neighborhoods, out in use, and how people make their living on it.
The high school registered apprenticeship program allows them some balance, but to be able to see what working full-time would be like.
I'm really appreciative of this program because we weren't for sure where Charles's path was going to begin, and I'm just fortunate that he's got this path to go down to learn what it is to be responsible and to have a good job and to take care of your family.
They will bring home a paycheck while they are learning, in addition to earning many benefits like paid time off and holiday pay.
The value I see of the apprenticeship program for students is that if they do not plan on going to college, I think this gives them another option and an opportunity. And I think it could take them places that they really didn't even know that they could go.
Some of the things that I do today that I wouldn't have been doing 3 to 4 years ago is welding in general. Also never thought I would have the opportunity to talk to the governor.
So the other benefits that these students will realize are earning a certificate. After the apprenticeship is over, when they've graduated high school, they have an opportunity to take a few more classes, and that will earn them their Technical Studies Associates of Arts degree.
I have 14 potential students that want to be interviewed about this apprenticeship program just to learn more about what their options are.
We started with welding, and this year we've expanded to the engineering assistant, and I think that will continue to grow as more and more students become interested in manufacturing.
When they come in the door, you have those students that really do not know what they're going to do after high school, and right now is where it gives them that opportunity to say, hey, I might do this.